FYP-academy viewers, now I want to stick this keyboard, and you know we have problem with these two keys, and I use two adhesives. One of them is elastic adhesive and another something stiff. I leave this adhesive here. This is an elastic one. And another one is something stiff. Okay, I leave this adhesive at the top of the peak. You know, there is a peak here because I want to, and I push the keys right here. I clean extra wastage of adhesive on the keyboard, and I show you how the arrangement will be done right here. Okay, this come up after pressure, but it is important the adhesive you use to be it's take time for this yellow elastic adhesive to be dried, and I just put this stiff and solid adhesive at the middle of the key, and I put it here in the place. It must be at the mid, and this works. It is just enough to let the work be dried. And I clean this part after drying the keys right here.